Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve sales strategies with NBC easy tutorial step by step clearly. To improve your sales strategies using NBC, begin by defining your target audience. Identify the demographics, interests, and pain points of your ideal customers. Next, conduct market research to understand current trends and competitor strategies. Analyze what successful businesses in your niche are doing with their sales approaches. Once you have gathered this information, set clear and measurable goals for your sales strategy. Decide on key performance indicators to track your progress. Now, implement the NBC framework, which stands for needs, benefits, and commitment. Start by focusing on the needs of your customers. Identify their specific problems that your product or service can solve. Next, highlight the benefits your solution provides. Communicate how these benefits will improve your customers' lives or businesses. Finally, secure a commitment from your prospects. Encourage them to take action by outlining the next steps clearly. Use storytelling in your sales approach to create an emotional connection with potential customers. Share customer testimonials and success stories to build trust and credibility. Incorporate visual aids like charts and graphs to present your data effectively. Regularly review and adjust your sales strategies based on feedback and performance metrics. Engage your sales team in ongoing training to stay updated on best practices. Utilize technology to automate and streamline your sales processes when possible. Integrate CRM tools to manage leads and track interactions efficiently. Consider implementing personalization in your outreach efforts to make your customers feel valued. Lastly, maintain consistent communication with your audience through newsletters and follow-ups. Continuously monitor and evaluate your strategies to ensure sustained improvement and adaptation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.